If you like my content, please like and click on the subscribe button. Click on the drop down and select all to see regular updates.
Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel Data Sculptor. Today we are going to see another interesting SQL question. So we have a table called friends and we have two columns called friend 1 and friend 2. So if you see here, Robin and Rahul are friends, Prithvi and Rahul are friends, John and Rahul are friends, and again Rahul and Robin are friends, Rahul and Prithvi are friends, and Rahul and John are friends. So if you see here, Robin and Rahul and Robin, so both of them are ideally same rows, just that the friend 1 and friend 2 columns were swapped. So in the output, you need to categorize all these combinations and provide a simple or single ID to between them. So that example, John and Rahul are John. Both of them provide the same value. That means determine the same value. So both are friends. It's just that friend 1 and friend 2 are exchanged. So both of them should be provided one category ID. And similarly, Rahul and Prithvi and Rahul should also be provided a single category, and Robin Rahul and Rahul Robin should also be provided a single category ID. So this is the question, and now we have to solve this using SQL. So now let's go back to SQL Server Studio and see how to solve this. So as discussed, this is the DDL and DML script of this question. So if you want to practice this, you can find this in the description of this video. So select start from friends, and this is the input as we have showed earlier. Now I'll create two additional columns. So I'll create these columns. So just see what is the logic. So I'll write a case statement. Case when friend 1 is greater than friend 2, then friend 1, else friend 2, end as friend. Okay. So here what I am trying to do is I am creating a new column and I am trying to compare the ASCII values of both friend 1 and friend 2 column for a single row. Suppose if Robin ASCII value is greater than Rahul, and that new column will give me Robin, else it will give me Rahul. So now let's see this. So if you see here, Robin and Rahul, the Robin is having the highest ASCII value because R and R are same, but OA is greater than A. So Robin's value will be coming here. Prithvi and Rahul, so Rahul's ASCII value is here highest. John and Rahul is highest here. Rahul and Robin, again Robin is highest here, so Robin here. And Rahul, Prithvi, Rahul. So now let's do an order by 1, 2. So now let's see what we are getting here. So if you see here, Rahul for John and Rahul, and for Rahul and John, the output is still Rahul, and for Prithvi and Rahul, and for again Rahul and Prithvi, the output is Rahul, and for Rahul and Robin and Rahul, the output is Robin. Okay. So we have created this column where we are trying to calculate the ASCII values, but this one column is not sufficient. So this single column will not be sufficient because if you see here, Rahul is repeated multiple times and you cannot use this single column to provide a category ID. Even though here Robin is repeating correctly and it is helping us distinguish between the other combinations, but still here Rahul is repeating, so we cannot use this single column. So let's rename this column as friend A, and I'll create one more column called friend B. Okay. So here what I'll do is if a friend 1 ASCII value is greater than friend 2, then instead of friend 1 I will return friend 2, and here it will return friend 1. Okay, and here I will make this column as friend B. So if you run this, so this is what you get. So for John and Rahul, for friend A, here what we are trying to do, we are comparing the ASCII values of John and Rahul, and if John's value is greater than Rahul's, here ideally Rahul's value is greater than John. So here that's why Rahul is getting the output is Rahul. So in friend A, basically the output is whoever is having the highest ASCII value, that is returning as the output here. But similarly in friend B, whoever is having the least ASCII value, friend B, that value is coming over here. Okay. So now if you see for John and Rahul combination and Rahul and John combination, friend A and friend B are same for both John Rahul and Rahul John. And for Prithvi Rahul and Rahul Prithvi, the friend A and friend B combination is same. And similarly, Rahul Robin and Robin Rahul, the friend A and friend B combination is same. So now if you see, for these two rows, we have calculated a single row. I mean a single row which is helping us distinguish. So now based on these two rows, based on these two columns, we will provide the IDs. Okay. So I will keep this in a CTE with CTE as. Okay, and select from CTE, and here friend 1 comma friend 2, and here we will use dense rank. Okay, so we want to use dense rank because the rank should be repeated, right? We cannot if there is a common value, we should not skip the rank. So we want to repeat. So here 1 and 1 will come twice, and after that it should be starting with 2 instead of 3. So we have to use dense rank, and over we have to use the order by clause. Order by, we will use the friend A and friend B combination. So friend A comma friend B, okay, as category. And if you run this, this is what you get. So John and Rahul are John, Rahul and John. These two rows we are getting one particular ID. Rahul Prithvi and Prithvi Rahul. These two rows we are getting a particular ID. And Robin Rahul and Rahul Robin, we are getting one particular ID. So now we have solved this with using CTEs, right? But always if we are able to write a query without using CTE, that is more good and efficient. So hope this solution is clear. Now I will give you a more simple solution without using CTE. Okay, so without using CTE, let's solve. So here the main logic is we have to use the dense rank here. Suppose if you are getting this idea to use the dense rank, then you can achieve this easily. Okay, so now what I will do is I will again use the same dense rank logic, friend 1 comma friend 2, and from hash friends. Okay, and here I will use the dense rank over. So here instead of doing order by friend A comma friend B, whatever I have written here, the case statement to calculate the friend A and friend B, I will directly replace this friend A and friend B with this case statement. Okay, so that in this case we need not calculate any CTEs ahead. We can calculate it on the while running the query itself. So friend A, this case statement. So I will just copy this and comma friend B. So again friend B, this is the statement. I will copy this as category. Okay, so now if you run this, let's see if we are getting the correct output. Let's run this together and see if we are getting the correct output. So if you see here, John Rahul and Rahul John, you are getting category ID 1 and both the rows. Rahul Prithvi and Prithvi Rahul, you are getting category 2, and Robin Rahul and Rahul Robin, you are getting category 3. So in this way, we will have to categorize the two friends based on their ASCII values. Okay, so it's not important whether if it's in column friend 1 or column friend 2, but both of them are the same rows, indicate the same rows. You have, so that is the question, you need to provide the category. So hope you have understood the question and also the solution well. And if you like this, and please click on the like button, and if you are watching a channel for the first time, make sure you click on the subscribe button so that you will get more videos and you can practice more on SQL, Power BI, DAX. And also I have started a Python course. So if you are interested to learn Python, please watch the playlist and let me know your thoughts about it. Thank you. Have a nice day.